What's the meaning of born? Born. Born.
Born. Born. The term born refers to the moment of a person's or animal's arrival into the world, specifically the moment when they start their independent life outside of the womb. The term can also be used in a more metaphorical sense to describe the beginning of something new or the emergence of a new idea or concept. The result of being born is the start of one's life journey, full of experiences, challenges, and opportunities for growth and development. It is a crucial moment that sets the stage for all that will follow and shapes who and what a person or animal will become.